Hey guys, welcome back to Simon Says DIY. I've got a quick update for you that I'm really excited about and I thought you guys might be interested in. So most of you that are watching are probably subscribers or at the very least regular viewers of my content and would be interested in this. Now, I've recently been approved for an Amazon merch account, which means my merchandise is now available for you guys to purchase. If you're interested in that, you can now go to amazonprime.com and search for Simon Says DIY merch. And all my merch should pop up in that search that you can find. I've got all sorts of different options for a bunch of different colors and sizes of t-shirts, long sleeve shirts, different sweatshirts, and then I also have a pop socket branded with my logo on it, as well as a couple phone cases for Android and iPhone. Now, it might also be perfect timing with the Christmas season coming up. If you order soon, you should be able to get it just in time for Christmas. And if you know someone that follows the channel, likes the content, you can go check out that merchandise there. It might be just what you're looking for. Make it really simple to buy your Christmas gifts this year. So go check out my merch on Amazon.com. Simon Says DIY merch. You should be able to find what you're looking for. So thanks guys so much for watching. Hope you enjoy this one. I'll see you in the next one.